MHRD announces learning enhancement guidelines for school children. Setting up a helpline at a community center with the help of Pancharati Raj and forming a team of volunteers to help students without access to digital resources are among a few measures listed in the Students' Learning Enhancement Guidelines announced. The guidelines, formulated by the National Council for Educational Research and Training (NCERT), were released by Union Minister of Education Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Karnataka healthcare facilities don't need trade license anymore. Private healthcare facilities in the state need not obtain a trade license from city corporations to register under Karnataka Private Medical Establishment Act anymore. A government order to this effect was passed. Upcoming clinics, nursing homes, hospitals and diagnostic centers can now run without a trade license. Swachh Sarvekshan 2020, Indore is India's cleanest city and Chhattisgarh the cleanest state. Indore is India's cleanest city for the fourth time in a row and Chhattisgarh is cleanest state for the second time, as per the Swachh Sarvekshan 2020 results announced by Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri at the Swachh Mahotsav being organized by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs (MOUHA). Gujarat's Surat gets the second place and Maharashtra's Navi Mumbai is at number 3 spot in terms of cleanliness. Hindalco signs MOU with Ultratech Cement. Hindalco Industries, a global leader in aluminium and copper, said it has signed an MOU with Ultratech Cement to deliver 1.2 million metric ton of bauxite residue annually to the cement company's 14 plants located across 7 states. NPCI launches international arm to take UPI, RuPay to other countries. The National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI, has launched its international subsidiary NPCI International Payments Limited, NIPL, to take its hugely popular instant payment service Unified Payments Interface, UPI, and card network RuPay to international markets. Bhagat Singh Koshyari assumes additional charge as Goa governor. Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari was sworn in as governor of Goa at a ceremony held at the Raj Bhavan in Panaji. Koshyari, 78, who was administered the oath by Chief Justice of Bombay High Court Justice Dipankar Dutta, will continue as Maharashtra governor with additional charge of Goa. TN government launches post-COVID-19 follow-up clinic in Chennai. The Tamil Nadu Health Department has launched the post-COVID-19 follow-up clinic in Chennai. It is exclusively for those who recovered from the viral infection and later suffer from other diseases. The post-COVID-19 follow-up clinic was launched by the State Health Minister Dr. C. Vijayabhaskar at the Government Rajiv Gandhi General Hospital in Chennai. Ministry of Skill Development, Ministry of Shipping Inc. MOU for Skill Development in Port and Maritime Sector. A Memorandum of Understanding, MOU, was signed between Ministry of Skill Development and Ministry of Shipping for Skill Development in Port and Maritime Sector. The MOU is aimed at skilling, reskilling and upskilling manpower for the growing maritime industry and development of coastal community. Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad announces winner of video conference solution, Grand Challenge. Ravi Shankar Prasad, Union Minister for Electronics and IT, Communications and Law and Justice, announced the results of Grand Challenge for developing video conference solution. V-Console, a product of Alapura, Kerala-based Techgensia Software Technologies Private Limited, was declared as the winner. India ranks first in number of organic farmers. India ranks first in number of organic farmers and ninth in terms of area under organic farming. Sikkim became the first state in the world to become fully organic.